La Ranchera Market is the ultimate destination for all your Latin American recipe needs. Conveniently situated in Logan, Utah, at the corner of 100 West, 100 North, this market is open every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., except on Sundays when it closes at 5 p.m. Payment options include cash, credit card, and EBT. Offering an extensive range of Latin ingredients and cooking instruments from all over Latin America, with prices ranging from under $1 to $200, La Ranchera Market is truly a one-stop shop. You can find Latino ingredients, sodas, candies, and snacks, as well as fresh Latin sweetbread from their bakery. Also, don't miss out on Castillo's restaurant within the market, serving a variety of authentic Salvadorian dishes. Whether you're planning a special event or simply craving carne asada, La Ranchera has an excellent selection of meats for any occasion. Need a piñata for an upcoming birthday? Don't worry, they have you covered with their extensive variety of piñatas starting at $20. With 26 years of serving the Cache Valley community, La Ranchera Market is known for its friendly staff who are always eager to share the Latin cultural experience with you.